Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 5 Best Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Review in 2023.
Top 1.
iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, 9550, Robot Vacuum and BravaJet M6, 6112, Robot Mop Bundle Wi-Fi connected, Smart Mapping, Powerful Suction, Precision Jet Spray, Corners and Edges, ideal for multiple rooms. Cleans up after you, and itself. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the S9 to empty itself for up to 60 days, runtime 120 minutes. Deepest clean, with 40x the suction power, the superior 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, then eliminates debris and pet hair from deep within your carpets. Automatically increases suction to clean even deeper with Power Boost technology. Detailed powerful clean, perfect edge technology with advanced sensors and a specially designed corner brush optimize cleaning deep into corners and along edges. Ideal for homes with pets. 30% wider dual rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair.
Top 2.
Roborock S7 MaxV Plus Robot Vacuum and Sonic Mop with Auto Empty Dock, ReactiveAI 2.0 Obstacle Avoidance, Real-Time Video Call, 5100 PA Suction compatible with Alexa, perfect for pet hair. More cleaning, less emptying. Automatic dust collection gets up to 120 days without emptying. Multi-stage filtration system keeps the air in your home fresh and clean. Keeps out of trouble with ReactiveAI 2.0 Obstacle, using a camera for object recognition and structured light sensing, hazards are accurately identified and avoided. Equipped with LED light, keeps out of trouble in day or night. Clean hard and far, choose powerful 5100 PA maximum suction, or get up to 180 minutes of runtime. Mop floors and vacuum carpets in one go, mop more effectively with sonic vibration technology.
Top 3.
iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum with Automatic Dirt Disposal Wi-Fi connected, Smart Mapping, Powerful Suction and BravaJet M6 Ultimate Robot Mop Wi-Fi connected, Precision Jet Spray, Smart Mapping. Cleans up after you, and itself. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the S9 Plus to empty itself for up to 60 days. Deepest clean with 40x the suction power, the superior 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, then eliminates debris and pet hair from deep within your carpets. Automatically increases suction to clean even deeper with Power Boost technology. Detailed powerful clean perfect edge technology with advanced sensors and a specially designed corner brush optimize cleaning deep into corners and along edges. Ideal for homes with pets. 30% wider dual rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair.
Top 4.
Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, Auto Mop Washing with Empty Wash Fill Dock, Self-Emptying, Self-Refilling, ReactiveAI 2.0 Obstacle Avoidance, 5100 PA Suction, App Control, works with Alexa. Roborock's smartest robot combo yet. S7 MaxV Ultra provides an extremely convenient, totally hands-free cleaning experience. Using the Empty Wash Fill dock, you get automatic dust emptying, mop washing, and robot water tank refilling. The dock even cleans itself too. Self-refilling and self-emptying. The Empty Wash Fill dock automatically refills the S7 MaxV water tank when it docks, extending its mopping range to up to 3,230 SQFT, 300 SQM. The dock also empties the robot vacuum and holds enough dust for up to 7 weeks without emptying. ReactiveAI 2.0. With Roborock's next generation of obstacle avoidance technology, ReactiveAI 2.0, S7 MaxV can navigate around common domestic hazards using its RGB camera and a new neural processing unit.
Top 5.
Dreametech L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, Auto Mop Cleaning and Drying, Self-Refilling and Self-Emptying Base for 60 days of cleaning, 5300 PA Suction, and AI Navigation, compatible with Alexa. Fully automated cleaning, automatic dust collection, mop cleaning and drying, water refilling, solution adding, fast mapping, and path planning all combine to make fully automated home cleaning a reality. The convenient auto-empty system utilizes our exclusive Dual Boost 2.0 system to blow air into the robot's dust box and vacuum it into a 3L dust bag, giving you up to 60 days of automatic, hands-off cleaning. Advanced AI Navigation. The Advanced AI Action utilizes an RGB camera and 3D structured light to rapidly learn your home, tailor cleaning strategies, and auto-generate paths according to the type of obstacle, flooring, and room. Makes floors shine. Dual rotary mops spin at 180 RPM under firm pressure to thoroughly scrub floors, covering up to 2,152 square feet, 200 SQM, with a large 2.5L water tank, to make your wood, tile, vinyl, or other hard floors refreshingly clean.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.